Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 10 one-look OLL algorithms that I think every tuber should know. Okay, assuming you already know the basic two-look OLL algorithms, such as this case. So some of these just have the same cases implemented into one different algorithm. So let's get right into it. So the first case, if we have this weird lightning bolt kind of pattern with the edges flipped and these two pointing to the same side, you just do the soon algorithm, RU, R prime, U, R, U to R prime, and then cancel out into F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And fast would be like this. You can also do that with the left hand, just do the same thing with the left hand, which is pretty easy. So this is the next case, but it's the same lightning bolt, but then these two are facing and these two are facing. So what you have to do is just hold it like this, and just do a wide zoom. So instead of normal R moves, just do wide R moves. So wide R, U, wide R prime, U, wide R, U2, wide R prime. And fast would be like this. Alternative for this case, you can do R, U, R prime, wide R's, and then U, R, U prime, R prime, and R, U prime, R prime. Fast would be like this. I'm going to use this algorithm because it's easier for me, but you might want to experiment and check which one is easier for you. So yeah, and this is the opposite of that case. So where there's a square, so and then these two facing, and this one's just on the other side. It's just the same thing, but instead of the soon case, you do the anti-soon case. So R, wide R, U2, R prime, U prime, wide R. No, just R, U prime, wide R prime. It's like this. So for the next case, you have this C shape, where you have one edge flipped and these three all matching. So what you do is keep that on the right side, do this algorithm. R prime, U prime, and then do a sledgehammer, and then just reverse the first two moves, U, R. That should be like this. Most of the cases I'm going to show you also have a left-handed version. For example, this case, it can be solved by keeping the yellow side on the back and the yellow pointing away from each other in the front, and do R prime, F, and do R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, R. Fast would be like this. And remember the left-handed version I was talking about? It's the same yellow. So for this one, you do the same thing for the right hand, but instead of the left hand. So these two cases I'm about to show you usually have like all the corners solved and just two edges. So for example, this case, it can be solved by doing a wide R, U, R prime, U prime, U, R, U prime, it's like this. If you're wondering, this is the opposite for that case, same corners oriented. The only thing is you do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. This is a much easier algorithm than the previous one. And fast would be like this. Okay, so this case is when there's a line and these two yellow are facing this side and that's pointing away, and the same thing on the other side. Just do F, and then U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Fast would be like this. The opposite for that case is when you have a line, a hook, and these two are facing towards you, these two are facing away, and this one is just facing away. So just recognize the case, and then when you see these two stickers and these two stickers, you should be able to realize that this is this case. So you just do F instead of U, R, U prime, prime, you do R, U, R prime, prime, R, U, R prime, F. The fast would be like this. The last and final case for this video is when you have a W shape, as you can see right there, or you can also kind of nab, and these two are facing to the right. What you do is R, U, R prime, U prime, and then you just reverse it by R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and you just insert it with a sledgehammer by R prime, F, R, F prime. And fast will be like this. And you're done for the left side as well. Until the next video, happy cubing.